In front of me is VIVO X300 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto brightness. First of all, you can go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Then use this icon with an A right next to your brightness slider. Click on it, and when it turns white with an orange A, that means that auto brightness is on. You can switch it off by tapping on it again until it's gray with a white A. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll, tap on Display, Brightness and Eye Protection, and this time use this switcher next to Auto Brightness to manage it from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!